Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your Japanese skills with WaniKani step by step clearly. To verify your Japanese skills with WaniKani, start by visiting the WaniKani website. Create an account if you haven't already. Log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the layout and options available. Click on the Lessons tab to begin learning new kanji and vocabulary. Review the material presented in your lessons. After completing your lessons, head to the Reviews tab. Practice recalling what you've learned in the Reviews section. To track your progress, visit the Statistics tab. Review your performance metrics, including accuracy and speed. Explore the Levels section to see how far you've progressed. Set a goal to reach a specific level within a certain time frame. Engage with the community forum for tips and support. Consider using additional resources to complement your WaniKani studies. Use the mobile app for on-the-go learning opportunities. Continuously practice and reassess your goals as you advance. Regularly revisit challenging kanji and vocabulary to reinforce your skills. Celebrate your milestones along the way as you improve your Japanese proficiency. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.